Mickey Chaos. On the bass, we got Donald Duck Chaos. And on the drums, we got Goofy Chaos. We're gonna play some songs to you tonight. This one's actually covered.
They don't
got the raspiness though.
They don't got the chaos. They're too steady.
They're too steady.
Anyway.
The place is about to fucking shoot off into the sky.
Besides that, Michael, what would you like to do? Cool.
I was floating away
And then
with
you
the
just
swing.
spice it up.
That was serious. I was like vibing with that. I thought that was like your whatever, your fifth song.
We do it again, guys. We do a different thing.
I don't know if I have that yet. That was one of a kind.
Let me find it.
We only have 10 minutes left. Should we do it with all?
Yeah, I guess.
We do Gabriel. I think we're done now, are we? I can't really sing much more.
Yeah.
Oh no, we have 6 minutes if you want.
Is there anything you want to do?
Guys, welcome to my crib. Come on in. Yeah. I think it needs to be tuned or something. I don't know if you.
Yeah, blame on the tune. Alright, show off the kitchen.
Jesus, fucking pissing.
Yeah. Ah, that's fucking.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
Somewhat for the garden shots, huh? So my roommate James, she's in a band called the Onion Boys, and they filmed like a couple music videos in here. One of them was definitely here, Daddy's Arms. Their dad was in it, and he was wearing like this crazy mask. They like made this like.
Yeah, can you be honest? That's a mask, right? That's not.
Yeah, that's what
Okay, cool. I was really like, nervous.
These are actually my sister's mugs, so she might be upset for Christmas or something. It says there's a taste of onions off of this fucking thing.
Why are they called the onion bugs?
Why are they called the onion boys? No idea.
They stink.
Because
They all don't look good.
Because they have layers.
You told me you had a story about your little guitar.
Yeah, should I grab it?
Yeah, get it.
This is my guitar.
So
How's
cute.
How's it
It
built
looks
in?
fake.
Oh, fuck.
It looks like when you go into like a kid's
Yeah.
store.
It's actually a studio guy that, when I was in the studio, he told me that the guy that invented these pig nose amplifiers, like, worked on Star Wars or something.
Oh.
Yeah, he like did some of the sound stuff for Star Wars.
Can you play the banjo?
The first thing I ever bought was a banjo actually, but then my friends broke it on accident.
And Boo Boo Baby.
This is my boo boo baby. It's still got the sticker for. I didn't buy it new. I bought it off a Filipino woman on Facebook, and I had to like get a train out to like North Dublin, and she sold it me for like 150. But you can see she got it for 300. So
Ah.
Reduction.
pretty good deal.
Half price.
And what's the sticker? Donny's. What is that?
It has like the.
No, on the other side.
Oh, that's.
The Donny's.
They're a band I played with recently. They're from Kilkenny. They're like a rock band.
Oh.
They're pretty cool. They just released a new album, and they were doing like an Irish tour. We played with them in Whelan's upstairs.
Any Pokemon he wants.
Yeah, he can shapeshift into any Pokemon, and then like take their abilities.
Yeah, who's a nerd now, huh?
I'm not gonna show you my roommate's rooms.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's a bit rude.
Just like open it up on them.
Go up the stairs. This is my room. It's probably smelly.
I think it's that smelly.
Yeah, I had to open it earlier and it just started fucking pissing her in. Yeah, I got some clones. I used to wear it when I was like 14. It made me like really nostalgic, so she got me.
That's so cute.
Yeah, sure. Which one? Thank you, Seth. Yeah, I did this when I had COVID.
Yeah.
So I was like had a really high fever, and then the pterodactyl has a little six pack. If you zoom in there.
What does he hold?
He's holding a. I think it was supposed to be a beer. But you shouldn't drink and drive. I think they're dope. They're like little frogs that like some kid made. I found them in a charity shop, and their like faces are so dirty. I just had to buy them. I just got these like cheap little smiles. Seen it, but I saw him in a charity shop, and I was like,
Oh, it's not even a part of the lamp.
No, but I'm gonna super glue it.
I thought it was that.
Yeah, that's the size toothbrush.
Nice.
It has a little suction cup, so she keeps it there. Me and there was this other punk band, and I wanted to get some merch, but it's like this is the cheapest thing they had. It was only like a $5.
Nice.
It's this band called Total Chaos. Just with these. Let's go with the fit. I feel like they do.
Yeah, I think so. Ask Kez, she'd know better.
Kez,
Yeah.
should I wear the Docs or these Adidas with this
The
fit?
dog. Oh,
It's these ones or those?
maybe those. I actually don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, maybe those. They match the outfit better, to be honest.
I think so
Adidas?
too.
They do that.
Oh, the Adidas. Okay. I was thinking they're easier to get on as well.
Yeah.
I'm kind of thinking the Docs.
Whatever you want, man.
But yeah, my dad got me these when I was like 14. Oh
Or-
wait, I have these guys as well.
Oh, fuck.
I forgot about these.
Whoa,
Those are pretty
those
cool.
are sick. Those are sick.
Yeah? Sick.
I think it matches the vibe.
Yeah, it does. Right. Let's go. Oh no, I need my guitar case. Somewhere. It's the bathroom actually, if you need to use it. I get really dry eyes.
Is that like what people they put on when they're stoned? Is that thing?
Yeah. Gotta get that pre-gig brush. So windy.
What happens during sound check?
During sound check, you just kind of. No, it's kind of boring actually. Sometimes it's good crack. A bit of chaos in the weather.
What's your favorite song that you're performing?
My favorite one that we're performing is probably Shopping Cart. Yeah. It's one of our newer ones. This is how I get to work every day.
Nice.
Yeah. Shout out Whelan's. I remember when I was going to Lisbon, this guy on the plane was sitting next to us, and he was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay at this hostel. It's like, I think I had like 69 in the name or something. It was like some like meetup sex hostel or something. He was, yeah, don't tell my girlfriend. I was like, oh my god. All right. Yeah, Milo's gonna do Milo. You never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes he gets really angry on stage. Yeah. I'm actually in the process of quitting. I've been vaping for like months.
Yeah, I remember last time I saw you.
Yeah. I don't think it's worse. I feel healthier when I vape.
It's only because it tastes nice.
It's locked up actually, is it? Yeah, it's in here. Bellow Bar tonight. Doors are at 8 p.m. Come on by, it's gonna be a great time.
I feel like no one's gonna hear anything because of the wind.
Oh, there's Milo. What's up, dude? I forgot there's a side door. Gotta give Mikey his cable.
Have you heard from Shay?
He said he's been here a little late, so I don't know. Probably soon, hopefully. He's on his way from work.
Wait, no more member, is it?
The drummer, yeah.
Yeah.
Should be good. Typical drummer, you know? That's the stereotype, yeah.
God, the boring drummer in the corner.
Is it going on now?
No, we don't sound check that. We won't. We wait until it's 11:15 to play this.
Is it quarters?
1, 2. That's really good. 1, 2.
I'm gonna try stealth crack this beer here. See how quiet we can do it.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
That was pretty good. And the pop is the loud bit.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Fuck. Oh yeah. I feel like we're camping now. Dude, I was smoking on the dark the other day. I swear to God, I'm hitting that.
Were you alone?
No, I was with some teenagers.
Were they smoking and they're like here?
No, I was like smoking in the dark camp. I was like, oh, I don't want to put it out. So I was just like, oh, I'll just put it out at the next stop. So I was just like,
You can't think about it. You have to throw it out.
exactly. That's how you just throw it out. It's hers now. It's the internet.
How you feeling? How you feeling about the gig tonight?
Not too good, to be honest.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like we're unprepared. It's gonna be kind of shitty. Nah, I'm just expect the worst.
I think it'll be poetic. Overtly poetic.
I got the buzzball, so it wouldn't even matter.
Yeah.
So did we show that one? I actually got it when you were on the list.
Oh, really?
Oh, you don't have to flex. Like I can see.
not flexing,
I can
dude.
see it, man.
I'm not even flexing.
And
It's 4 of them.
that's from Harry Nilsson.
Yeah.
Enjoy the lamp. Sound good about that?
Yeah.
The creative direction.
What if I get one with like...
Dude, I was gonna pick up.
That's kind of
Yeah, no, that was, yeah. No, yeah, that was.
Okay.
That was, yeah, that was good.
See, I'm glad you got it.
Work it, babies.
That's awesome.
You're fine. You're fine.
Yeah, this is good. Oh, yeah, I think.
I'm gonna take a piss. Excuse my French.
really nice of it.
Think I knew you on a first name basis.
man.
Rock on, you've been waiting a long time.
Right on. Thank you very much.
I'm Mickey Chaos. On the bass, we got Donald Duck Chaos. And on the drums, we got Goofy Chaos. We're gonna play some songs to you tonight. This one's actually covered. So. It's called Gabrielle by the nipples, erectors, the erector of the nipples.